If you want to withdraw money from Fiverr using a bank transfer, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. This method allows you to send your Fiverr earnings directly to your bank account in a simple and secure way. Before starting, make sure you have a Fiverr account with available funds ready to withdraw. You also need to have a bank account that can be linked through Payoneer, and if Fiverr asks for identity verification, make sure that is completed first. To begin, log in to your Fiverr account and go to your dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to your earnings or business section where you can see your balance details. Here, you'll find information such as available funds, future payments, earnings, and expenses. Once you are in this section, look for the option that says Add Payout Method. Click on it to continue. You will now see different payout options. From these options, choose Bank Transfer and then Continue. Fiverr will guide you through the setup process, and at this stage, a verification step may appear. Fiverr usually sends a verification code to confirm the payout method. Once this process starts, Fiverr will redirect you to Payoneer, since bank transfers on Fiverr are handled through Payoneer. Next, open Payoneer and sign in to your account. If you do not already have a Payoneer account, you will need to create one and complete the required verification steps. After signing in, make sure your bank account is added to Payoneer. You can do this by going to the section where you manage bank accounts. If your bank account is not added yet, enter your bank details carefully. Choose whether the account is personal or business, then provide details such as the bank name, account holder name, bank country, and currency. These details may vary depending on where you live. Once your bank account is successfully added and approved in Payoneer, go back to Fiverr. Enter the verification code if required and confirm the bank transfer payout method. Make sure Payoneer is now enabled as your payout option on Fiverr. After confirming everything, click Continue to complete the setup. Now that your bank transfer method is active, you can withdraw your funds. Go to your Fiverr earnings section, choose Withdraw, and select Bank Transfer as your payout method. Fiverr will process the withdrawal request, and you will receive a confirmation email once the payment is sent. Depending on your country and bank, the transfer usually takes around 2 to 5 business days to arrive in your bank account. Processing times can vary based on your region and banking system. Keep in mind that Fiverr charges a small fee for bank transfers, and Payoneer may also apply additional transaction fees when transferring the money to your bank account. To reduce these fees, it's usually better to withdraw larger amounts instead of making many small withdrawals. That's it. You have successfully withdrawn your money from Fiverr using a bank transfer. Managing your payments properly makes freelancing on Fiverr much smoother and more rewarding. Also, to keep your online activity safe while freelancing or managing your earnings, I highly recommend using NordVPN. It encrypts your connection and keeps your data private. You can try NordVPN at a great price by clicking the link in the description. It's a simple way to stay secure online while you focus on your freelancing work.